Hi, hello, namaste. Today I wanted to discuss with you Mathematics 1A March 2018 Andhra Pradesh with blueprint useful for all Telangana students also. Hi, hello, namaste, my dear friends and students. My name is Krishna Reddy, founder of Aparnika Reddy Institute of Mathematics and Sciences, aims Dare to Success made in India. Today I came with new trick and a new video. Today I wanted to discuss with you Mathematics 1A question paper pattern according to Andhra Pradesh and Telangana Board of Intermediate Education premises. Next, here you are having total 3 hours time and total 75 marks question paper. So it can be divided into 3 sections. Number 1, section A, very short answer questions. Section 2 is section B. Here all are short answer questions. Section C is long answer questions. So I am moving to section A. Answer all questions. Here you are having question number 1 to 10 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. So 10 into 2, 20 marks. So section A together 20 marks. Now I am going to question number 1. It is from functions. Question number 2, it is also from functions. Question number 3, it is from matrices. Question number 4, it is also from matrices. Question number 5, it is from addition of vectors. Question number 6, it is also addition of vectors. Next, question number 7, it is from product of vectors. Question number 8, it is from trigonometry. Question number 9, it is from trigonometry. Question number 10, hyperbolic functions. Here you are having total 10 questions. You can write all 10 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. So 10 twos are 20 marks. Section A total 20 marks. Now I am going to section B. Section B means short answer questions. Short answer question means 4 marks. So here short answer question means 4 marks. You are having total 7 questions, but you can write any 5 questions out of 7 questions. 5 into 4, 20 marks. Section B together 20 marks. Now I am moving to question number 11. It is from matrices. Question number 12 from addition of vectors. Question number 13 from product of vectors. Question number 14. Question number 14 from trigonometry. Question number 15, it is from trigonometric equations. Question number 16, it is from inverse trigonometric functions. Question number 17, it is from properties of triangles. Here you are having total 7 questions, but you can write any 5 questions out of 7 questions. All together 5 fours are 20 marks. Section B together 20 marks. Now I am going to section C. Here answer any 5 questions out of 7 questions. Section C means long answer question. Long answer question means each question carries 7 marks. So 5 7s are 35 marks. Section C together 35 marks. Now I am going to question number 18. It is from functions. Next question number 19. It is from mathematical induction. Question number 20. It is from matrices. Question number 21. It is also from matrices. Question number 22. It is from product of vectors. Question number 23, it is from trigonometry. Question number 24, it is also from product of properties of triangles. So here you are having total 7 questions. You can attempt any 5 questions out of 7 questions. So 5 into 7, 35 marks. I wish you all the very best, my dear students. Practice makes a man perfect. practice keeps a student top level. Now I am moving to Mathematics 1A Blueprint chapter wise according to 2012-2013 academic year question paper pattern from Andhra Pradesh as well as Telangana question paper from your Telugu Academy textbook question paper. Chapter 1 is functions. From the functions chapter you are having two very short answer questions and one long answer question. 2 plus 2 plus 4, 4 plus 7 together 11 marks. Now I am moving to chapter 2 mathematical induction. Here you are having only one long answer question. So long answer question means 7 marks. Now I am moving to chapter 3 matrices. It is a very easy chapter and a high scoring chapter in mathematics 1A. So here you are having two very short answer questions and one short answer question, two long answer questions. All together 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 7 22 marks from matrices. Now I am moving to chapter 4 addition of vectors. It is also a very easiest chapter and scoring. So here you are having two very short answer questions and one short answer question. All together 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8 marks from addition of vectors. Now I am moving to chapter 5 product of vectors. This is also a very easiest chapter and high scoring. Here you are having one very short answer question, one short answer question and one long answer question. 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 7 is equal to 13 marks from product of vectors. Now I am moving to trigonometry. Trigonometry chapter has two very short answer questions and one short answer question and one long answer question. All together 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 7 15 marks from trigonometry chapter. Now I am moving to chapter 7 trigonometric equations. This is also easiest chapter and it has only one short answer question. So trigonometric equation chapter has 4 marks only. Next I am moving to chapter 8 inverse trigonometric functions. It is also easiest chapter and it has only one short answer question, 4 marks. Inverse trigonometric functions chapter has only 4 marks. Now I am moving to chapter 9 hyperbolic function. Hyperbolic function chapter has only one very short answer question, that is 2 marks. Hyperbolic functions chapter has 2 marks only. Now I am moving to chapter 10 properties of triangles. This is related to some questions and same formulas you can use trigonometry chapter. So properties of triangle chapter has 4 marks, one short answer question and one long answer question. Altogether 4 plus 7 11 marks. Totally 10 chapters. From these all 10 chapters you are going to write 75 marks question paper. So according to this blueprint, my dear friends and students, you can go through which chapters are very easy to you. You can go through first those chapters and you can remember formulas related to topic wise. I wish you all the very best, my dear students and friends. Thank you. Hi, my dear friends and students. Namaste. Today I came with new trick and a new video. My name is Krishna Reddy, founder of Aparnika Reddy Institute of Mathematics and Sciences, aims dare to success made in India. Today I wanted to discuss with you March 2018 Andhra previous question paper. This question paper will also helpful for Telangana state students also. So here you are having mathematics 1A March 2018 Andhra Pradesh paper. You are having total 3 hours timing. So maximum marks 75 marks. Now I am going to straightforward section A. Section A means all questions are very short answer questions. Very short answer questions means each question carries 2 marks. You are having total 10 questions. So you should write all 10 questions. So 10 into 2 is equal to 20 marks. Now I am moving to question number 1. Question number 1 is find the domain of the real valued function f of x is equal to under root of x square minus 25 under root. This question from functions. Now I am moving to question number 2. If f is mapping from R to R and g is also mapping from R to R are defined by f of x is equal to 3x minus 1, g of x is equal to x square plus 1, then we can find the value of f circle g of 2. This question is also from functions. Now I am moving to question number 3. Define symmetric matrix. You can write the definition of the symmetric matrix. Give one example of order 3 by 3. You have to write order 3 rows 3 columns. One example. This question from matrices. Now I am moving to question number 4. Find the inverse of the matrix. First row values 1, 2. Second row values 3 minus 5. This question is also from matrices. Now I am moving to question number 5. If the vectors minus 3i plus 4j plus lambda k, comma, mu I plus 8j plus 6k are collinear vectors, then find the values of lambda and mu. This question from addition of vectors. Now I am moving to question number 6. Question number 6 is find the vector equation of the plane passing through the points. First point 0, 0, 0. Second point is 0, 5, 0. Third point is 2, 0, 1. This question is also from addition of vectors. Now I am moving to question number 7. Find the angle between the vectors I plus 2j plus 3k and second vector is 3i minus j plus 2k. This question is from product of vectors. Now I am moving to question number 8. Find the value of sine 330 degrees into cos 120 degrees plus cos 210 degrees into sine 300 degrees. This question from trigonometry. Now I am moving to question number 9. Find the extreme values of cos 2x plus cos square x. This question is also from trigonometry. Now I am moving to question number 10. For any x belongs to R, show that cos h of 2x is equal to 2 cos h square x minus 1. This question from hyperbolic functions. From question number 1 to question number 10 all are very short answer questions. Very short answer questions means 2 marks related. You have to write all 10 questions. So 10 into 2, 20 marks. Section A, you are having total 20 marks. You can write 20 marks all 10 questions. Now I am moving to section B. Section B means all are related to short answer questions. Short answer question means 4 marks related. Here you are having total 7 questions. Write any 5 questions. So 5 into 4, 20 marks. Section B, total marks equal to 20 marks. Now I am moving to question number 11. If A equal to first row 7 minus 2. Second row minus 1, 2. Third row 5, 3. B is equal to first row minus 2 minus 1. Second row 4, 2. Third row minus 1, 0. Then we can find the values of A into B transpose and B into A transpose. This question from matrices. Now I am moving to question number 12. Question number 12 is, if A comma B comma C are non-coplanar vectors, then prove that the following 4 points are coplanar. First vector is minus A plus 4B minus 3C. Second vector is 3A plus 2B minus 5C. Third vector is minus 3A plus 8B minus 5C. And fourth vector is minus 3A plus 2B plus C. This question from addition of vectors. Now I am moving to question number 13. Question number 13 is, let A and B be a vectors satisfying the given condition. Condition is mod A is equal to mod B is equal to 5. A comma B is equal to 45 degrees. Then you can find the area of the triangle having A minus 2B and 3A plus 2B as two of its sides. This question from product of vectors. Now I am moving to question number 14. Question number 14 is, if A is not an integral multiple of pi by 2, then prove that first one, tan A plus cot A is equal to 2 cosecant 2A. Second one is cot A minus tan A is equal to 2 cot 2A. This question from trigonometry. Now I am moving to question number 15. Solve root 3 sin theta minus cos theta is equal to root 2. This question from trigonometric equations. Now I am moving to question number 16. Show that sin inverse 4 by 5 plus sin inverse 5 by 13 plus sin inverse 16 by 65 is equal to pi by 2. This question from inverse trigonometric functions. Now I am moving to question number 17. If A is equal to B minus C into secant theta, then prove that tan theta is equal to 2 into root BC by B minus C into sin A by 2. This question from properties of triangles. Question number 11 to question number 17 all are short answer questions related. Short answer questions means 4 marks related. You are having total 7 questions. Write any 5 questions. So 5 into 4 20 marks. Section B total marks equal to 20 marks. Now I am going to straight forward 8 section C. Section C means long answer type questions. Long answer questions means 7 marks related. You are having total 7 questions. Write any 5 questions. So 5 into 7 35 marks. Section C maximum marks equal to 35 marks. Now I am going to directly question number 18. If F is mapping from A to B, G is mapping from B to C are two bijections. Bijections means both 1 1 and on 2. Then show that G circle F is mapping from A to C is also a bijection. So you can find G circle F value A to C is also a bijective function. So this question from functions. Now I am moving to directly question number 19. Show that 1 by 1 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 7 plus and so on plus 1 by 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1 is equal to n by 2n plus 1. For all n is a natural number, that is n belongs to n. This question from mathematical induction. Now I am moving to question number 20. Show that first row value a plus b plus 2c A, B. Second row values C, B plus C plus 2A, B. Third row value C, A, C plus A plus 2B is equal to 2 into A plus B plus C whole cube. This question from matrices. Now I am moving to question number 21. Solve the system of equations. First equation 2x minus y plus 3z. 3z is equal to 9. Second equation is x plus y plus z is equal to 6. Third equation is x minus y plus z is equal to 2 by using Gauss-Jordan method. This question is very important. This method is also very important, my dear friends and students. You have to practice thoroughly. So this question from matrices. Now I am moving to question number 22. Question number 22 is for any four vectors a comma b comma c and d, then prove that first one a cross b cross c cross d is equal to cap a c d into b minus cap b c d into a. Second one a cross b cross c cross d is equal to a b d in cap into C minus cap A, B, C into D. This question from product of vectors. Now I am moving to question number 23. Question number 23 is if A, B, C are angles in a triangle, that is A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees, then prove that cos A plus cos B plus cos C is equal to 1 plus 4 sin A by 2 into sin B by 2 into sin C by 2. This question from trigonometry. Now I am moving to last question, question number 24. Show that R plus R3 plus R1 minus R2 is equal to 4R cos B. This question from properties of triangles. My dear friends and students, if you want to get like this type of previous year questions, you can check it from description box in playlist. Also more and more shortcuts are there, playlists are there in my channel. Also you have to check and practice. I wish you all the very best, my dear friends and students. Thank you very much. Thought of the day: shave is equal to save. Shave worries, save happies. To get success, a friend in need, a friend indeed. ఆపదలో ఆదుకునేవాడే నిజమైన స్నేహితుడు. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you satisfy with my explanation, please subscribe our channel, support with us, share to your friends, like, comment to this video. Thank you. సబ్కా మాలిక్ ఏక్ హై. ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. జాయ్ ఆఫ్ షేరింగ్ ఈజ్ కేరింగ్ అండ్ హెల్పింగ్.